Namaste. Today we will work with Samana Vayu. So today we have a very important practice because Samana is a connection between prana and apana. Yoga practice is basically what? Kriya is what? Tantra is what? Tantra is about the energy which flows upward and the energy which goes downward. These two Vayu, to bring them together, this Shiva and Shakti, it is also called Shiva and Shakti, to bring them together. That is the main purpose of this energy movement. So in pranayama practice, this is what we do. So today the Samana is a main area where they both should meet. Samana means what? Samana means equal. Saman is a Sanskrit word, it's called equal. So the practice which makes equal these two forces, which becomes equal. So it means equalization of these two Vayus in our body is Samana practice. As we discuss, foundational practice you will do before doing this practice. So foundational practice will remain same all the time. So whenever you are picking any practice from any Vayu, you will go for foundational practice and then you enter. Today if you see, I am sitting in new pose. It's Padhamasana. Basically most of the pranayama sessions, it always happens in Padhamasana. That is said in all our ancient yogic text. Padhamasana is a main asana for pranayama. But yes, of course, there are some requirements for that Padhamasana, because we should have a flexible knees and hips. You should not have any injury. In that case, there are many other. Today I am working with Padhamasana. You can also work with Vajrasana. Padhamasana pose. Samana means what? Samana area is here. If you see, Samana is basically, it is here. The belly. From the navel, below your chest. From the navel, below your chest. This is diaphragmatic area. Diaphragm. Samana controls all the digestive organs. It is basically responsible for metabolism. If you talk about physical matter, it controls all the digestive system. So digestive system, when we talk about digestive system, we talk about one fire in our body. Yogic science says we have a fire, and this fire is a part of sun, which is a source of energy. Source of energy is what? Sun. Source of prana is what? Sun. So the subtle part of this energy we already have in our body. Every being have in their body. In humans, it called Vaishwanar Agni. It's called Agni. Agni means fire in Sanskrit. So Vaishwanar Agni. Vaishwanar Agni is situated where? In Samana center, which is called Manipura, center of Manipura. Harmonization of Samana Vayu is very important. I will explain you very beautiful explanation. Example is there. Let's imagine that you have a small pond, okay, just small pond in the earth, and you pick one small glass of water in the middle, from the middle. So suppose there's a pond here. You take just one glass of water from the middle. Imagine from where, when you took the water out, all the water from the surface moves which direction? Will it go out because you are putting something in middle, or it will go when you remove it? What will happen? If you will notice, if you take the water out, all the water which was on the surface, they will start moving to the center, right? So what happens to this? Actually, nature have very simple rule. Wherever there is an emptiness, because you are making this place empty, right? In the middle, when you take the water, it means this area is empty now. Wherever there is an emptiness, all the energy moves into that direction. Samana works the same way. If you make this area empty, if you work for something which makes this area empty, which brings shunya state on this area, the energy of prana which goes up flows downward. The energy of apana which goes down flows upward. This basically helps this samana. It makes this two energy together, and once it happens, energy starts circulating to Sushumna. That is very important. Believe me, if you practice Samana, you don't need any other exercise. You just need to learn how to work with Samana. One of the practice we will learn today. There are many thousands of practices, but one of the very effective practice we will learn today, how to work with Samana so that the prana and apana can really meet together into center of Samana area. What we have to do? Let's do one thing. Combination, you remember, Ujjayi and Ashwani. Okay. This time we will make thumb like this. Thumb will touch the root of your small. You will place the finger, see how I'm using this three finger? This three finger you will use and place it into above the navel. Okay, thumb is here. So basically the bone of your thumb, the root of the thumb should touch the bottom rib, floating ribs here. And then once it touch, that much gap you should have. Now you make a fist in this area. Okay, this area here. When I say inhale, you remember Ujjayi, you have to exhale all the time. And when I say exhale, you have to just go forward, go forward, go forward, go forward, like this. You don't need to go completely down. What I mean to say, why we are doing this, why I choose this pose today. See, this is the main purpose. We choose to pose today, which is Padhamasana. Can you see the heel? There's two heels. So what we want actually, if you cannot sit, you can do without heel also. Vajrasana is the best pose for that. But if you can sit in Padhamasana, Samana practice is very strong and tremendous change you will feel if you do regular. So when we place here, when I am going, make a fist, when I am going down, so basically your left heel should press the fist. The right heel, right. So it's like pressure from the side. Pressure from the side. So actually you are pressing from the side, not on the center. I hope you understand. That's why we are using Padhamasana. So let's try this practice. Make a fist, touch the middle finger on the navel and that much gap. And once you have a gap, now make a fist, place the fist below the belly, below the chest. Now take a one deep inhale. Let's do with open eyes first and then we'll do with closed eye. Open eyes, inhale. Now exhale, Ujjayi. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Then come up. This is how we'll practice. So when you go down, remember you have to press this fist towards the center. So actually when you go down, you have to bring it towards each other. And that what will happen, that will start activating the Samana Vayu. At the same time, simultaneously, you will start feeling the pressure on the belly. So it also awakens the fire. So digestive system becomes so much strong that you just completely become that much strong in your digestive system that there's no any sickness, illness, indigestive problem will happen to you. Samana Vayu will activate that much that automatically the prana and apana, they start flowing towards Samana and they meet there. The time comes when they meet. There are other practice also to meet them. But this is a basic practice that you have to learn. Let's try this. Again, remember, fist, exhale Ujjayi. While doing exhale, you go down. No need to go completely, just parallel to the floor. That much is enough. And then when you go up, relax here for a few seconds and go for Ashwani Mudra. Just squeeze the anus, release. 20, 30, as much as you can. I will not put the numbers for Ashwani Mudra. You can do 100 also if you can. But because we are doing this practice with this combination of this Samana, so do at least that much that it will not take too much time. But you can do as much as you can. Let's try. We will do 21 Ashwani Mudra. We will do 10 this. and then we will see. Let's make a fist. Close your eyes. Make full fist. Together, deep inhale, belly out. Exhale, Ujjayi, press the Samana. Become aware of Samana. Inhale, come up. Hold the breath and Ashwani Mudra 21 times. Exhale, Ujjayi, go down. Inhale. Hold the breath, Ashwani Mudra. Exhale, Ujjayi. Inhale, Ashwani Mudra. Exhale, Ujjayi. Inhale. Retain the breath, Ashwani Mudra. Exhale, Ujjayi. Inhale. Hold the breath, Ashwani. Exhale. Inhale. Hold the breath, Ashwani. Exhale. Inhale. Hold the breath, Ashwani. Exhale, Ujjayi. Inhale. Hold the breath, Ashwani. Exhale, Ujjayi. Inhale. Relax the hand, Ashwani Mudra, final time. Now this time you can do 100 times if you can. With holding breath. You can also do 50. As long as you can hold the breath, do Ashwani Mudra. Once you complete, just relax the body, focus on Samana. Bring your awareness back to the body slowly. Open your eyes. I hope you understand. 3 round, 10, 10, 10. You really have to work systematically if you really want to improve this purification, harmonization of the Vayu. Once the Vayu is harmonized, I can make sure that you will also feel pranayama is very effective. You really can feel the flow of prana throughout the body. You really have to work with this Panchavayu. These are easy steps so that you can really do this. Morning and evening, much better. Foundational practice, each Vayu you can do. So I hope you understand. You can write me if you have some question and we will try to find the answer. Try this practice, work with Samana, try to bring the flow of energy up and down to up. You will see the changes. I hope you will get the benefit. I wish you all the best. Namaste. See you.